Is it a little bit tight on my top end?
No, I say you want it.
Damn, it's frozen white now. New paint.
That's frozen now.
Guys, you can see like checkers. Good stuff, man. Did you fix this side or what side was it?
Not yet.
This side? Yeah, look guys. The bumper came a little bit messed up. On this side it's like stuck. It doesn't come off. You see that? And on this side, it's like the plastic weld that they used didn't like go through all the way. Old bumper, new bumper. I thought this was gonna get primed today too, that's why.
What?
I thought this was gonna get primed today too.
Nah, it's new, it don't get primed.
Huh?
It's new, it don't get primed.
Oh, it just gets painted right on top? That was pretty good.
Just like factory.
Damn.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. You didn't even need to, huh? Is it a little bit tight on my top end?
No, I say you want it. See?
Damn, it's frozen white now. New paint.
No, it's frozen Nardo.
There's a little scuff over here, you know that?
It's normal.
You sure?
It'll all sand out.
Oh, okay. Sick. Oh, it's only up to here?
Yeah, I didn't go back where I didn't need to.
Oh.
Wherever there was chips and dents and all that,
Mhm.
just covered those areas and the area around it.
Did you spray it yourself or?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Spray can? A spray can or?
Oh.
Oh.
Listen, bro. You're about to get kicked out.
Oh, whoa. Alright guys, look, so he got one IKON on.
It's just sitting in there.
Sheesh.
I had to connect them for the coating.
You disconnected them now?
No, they're connected.
Oh! Bro, that is gnarly. I can't wait till it's all put together, bro.
That is sick, isn't it?
It's so sick. It's so freaking sick. I'm hyped.
Is that one not turned on?
It turned on, it flashed on, and then it went off.
What's going on?
Was this the one that had the bad one?
No.
This is the good one, huh?
Yeah.
This light's on, so that's I'm like tripped out because
Hold that light and
Yeah.
start the car.
gotcha. It turned on. It's on. It's bright. Yeah. They're yellow. The white lights on, they turned off. Ah. Yeah, it turned on, it turned off. The DRL's off. Oh, it's on now.
Yeah, this has already been blocked.
Mhm.
I gotta wet sand it, and then I gotta block the hood and wet sand that and wet sand the bumper.
Did you do the roof yet?
No, I'm gonna do the roof too.
Gotcha. Look guys, all the glass came out. Official update. The glass is out, the front and rear glass, because he needed to get all the little crusty parts out. But today we are going to be sanding this, prepping this for paint, prepping this for paint, and prepping this one for paint. Yep.
Bye bye rock chips.
Dye coat?
Guide coat.
Guide.
Yeah,
What is that for?
it's like it's basically like a guide.
I had to make sure it worked. Sheesh.
Hey yo, Dev, do that shit again.
Look guys, he finally put on a mask. He couldn't take it anymore. He was like, I need a mask. Alright, what are we doing now?
What we're gonna do is, it's all been block primed, fixed all the dents. So we're gonna wet it down with some wax and grease remover. And we're gonna use this grid light, and the grid light's gonna show us if we missed any dents or anything.
Okay, perfect.
You can't really see anything now with it, but when it's wet, you'll be able to see the pattern.
Okay.
So yeah, you can see the straight lines.
Yep, gotcha, yeah.
If you have any dents, you'll see the lines distort. So I had a dent that was over here.
It's gone now?
Yeah, I don't see any distortion.
Yeah. He's sharpening his chisel.
Sometimes you gotta keep it.
Alright guys, now that we got the hood and the fenders and everything sanded down, we still have the roof, but we are taking off the headliner so we can take out this antenna and then sand the roof, because we can't sand it if this is in the way, you know what I mean? So we're gonna take this out, and we're debating, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments. Should we do star headliner while it's out? I think I convinced them. I think we're gonna do it, but what do you guys think? It's honestly gonna look insane with the white and all that. So I'll show you all the carbon roof. From the inside, the carbon roof looks crazy. Al, have you seen the carbon roof from the inside?
No, we're about to.
Bro, it looks insane. I saw it when I did my starlights.
Yeah.
Bro, it honestly looks fire. I wish that weave was on the outside. I honestly wish. Got it? Well, I heard that clip fall.
Yeah, I heard it too.
It's on that passenger side seat, I think, right? Got it? Yep. Tell me that's not sick.
I would definitely rather have that all day long.
You know what car comes with this, right?
Huh?
A BMW OEM car comes with this on the outside. M2 CS.
Does it?
It has this weave on the outside.
That is fucking sick.
That's the only BMW of the F8X that had this on the outside. It's so freaking sick, bro. Look, guys, y'all can see like checkers. That's so freaking sick. And we got the curtain airbags right there. Everything's apart. Now we can take off this. Finally. Alright guys, bad news. We removed the headliner for no reason, because we can't even remove the antenna from there. So now we have to try to take off this cover. Guys, look! We got the antenna off. Finally. It took us way longer than we thought it was going to take us, but we got it off, huh?
Got it off.
Alright guys, look, we got the headlights back on. We're trying to figure out the issue real quick. He's using some ISTA. If y'all know, y'all know. I don't even know, so. Vehicle test, reading fault memory. We'll see if these do anything, guys. I know, right? Oh no, guys. What is this? Engine fuel it? tuning detector? Damn.
Turn the Chanel store to a hang. Massage me. Turn my energy, no one candy. We do this for that, she never massage. She ready to push, you know, I won't get it.